Hello everyone, this is Farooq Siddiqui with a new video. In this video, we will be resetting a password of an Active Directory user. So from the server manager, we will open Active Directory users and computers by going into tools, and here uh, when you are dealing with a large number of users, like I usually manage environments where we have more than 500 users, so I don't usually remember where that user is located in which OU. So I'll just come in here, right click, do find. I usually come into the container that has the users. If I'm unable to find it here, do find, then I will go to the top container. So I will usually write first 2 3 letters and do find now, and I'm able to find accounts, users and groups with this name. And we can also limit it here and give option advanced. So I'm just I want to reset password for this account. I will just right click and do reset password, and we can do user must change password next login. This is what we usually do when we are resetting password, because we don't want them to be using the password that we have set up. We want them to be using a new password. So I will just I have default passwords for each of the organization that we use. So just to and password has been changed. So I will now be able to log in to this domain joined computer using the account,